Peggy Waters, and this is Roy Waters, and we have been challenged by our daughter Lori Wilkie and our grandchildren Alexa, Landon, and Brooke for the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, and we're going to send our donation to alsa.org. And if you want to send it somewhere else, you can just go online and find other places to do it. So I am calling out my nephew, Brian Swiggett, and his wife, Bridget, and their other grandpa, Al Wilkie.
And I'm calling out my brother Rick and his son Lyle, and also Jim Snyder.
All right, let it begin.
Okay, kids.
Okay, do it.
I'm gonna do it to Papa.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
No, that's Brooklyn. That's Brooklyn. Woo! Here, Brooke. That was awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh.
No, don't do that. Okay. We're all done.